As we said previously, our aim in this section is to learn how to resize our clips. So we want to decide which frame they're gonna start and which frame they're gonna end to have very nice cuts in between the clips, so you can make a very impressive video. We are going to focus on the trim menu over here. Unfortunately, what you see here is just simple commands. They are very useful if you come and explore them a bit. But the main work actually is not on this menu. Of course, we are going to cover these commands and other commands that are not in this menu. But mainly we are going to cover certain techniques, meaning the how-to. And we are going to use the keyboard a lot. So actually, this is a simplistic menu, I would say here. Also, we are going to look in the timeline and we have 3 commands here that we are going to explore a bit. Now, the concept of DaVinci Resolve is there are no resizing or trimming tools. Okay, that doesn't come as a surprise because actually you don't see them. You have modes. You have the selection mode, and that's what we have been using all along. You have the trim mode, and in addition to the trim mode and the selection mode, you can add the dynamic trim mode. So dynamic trim mode doesn't work on its own. It's just an addition to the trim mode or to the selection mode. And if you right click on the dynamic trim mode, here you are, you have the snip mode or the slide mode. You can switch using the S key. Here you are. This is now slide, press S, I go to snip. Okay, they have their own functions. So how do you edit? First, you decide on which mode you want to use. You can have the selection mode, the trim mode, or you can add also the dynamic mode if you like to. And then use the mouse or keyboard shortcuts and command keys. You will be able to do very powerful and precise video and audio editing. We're going to start using the selection mode. It's a bit naive mode to use, but sometimes it has its own commands and they are very useful. So in the next lecture, we are going to use the selection mode and start resizing certain clips. I'll see you then.